Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is dedicated to help you in getting rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the site News-cofade.cc. News-cofade.cc, the website that tries to deceive you with a lot of faulty and pretty misleading push notifications. Initially, the website News-cofade.cc tries to make you click on the Allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. In reality, whenever people agree with this misleading proposal and click on Allow, they may be forwarded to some filthy website or some website that doesn't display any genuine content. Plus, people may start facing a lot of intrusive advertisements that will be shown randomly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. If you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button, of course, you need to immediately implement some fixes of your browser. To fix your browser, go to the menu, which looks as this circle with the three vertical dots. Go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then in Permissions, select Notifications and research the list of the sites allowed to send notifications. Once you find this malicious site, remove it from the list. And this should actually fix the problem. However, I also recommend you to additionally check your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix other problems with other browsers too, and it will help you to protect your system from being infected with all other threats in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.